to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you very effective method or way to fix the water damage problem on your iPhone. So you just need to watch this video till the end and I hope this method will work perfectly for your iPhone. So first of all, you might drop your iPhone into water. Then if you drop your iPhone into water, then you may get the water damage, or you may get water inside your speaker holes or inside your microphone holes. So for ejecting your water, I will show you effective way to eject water from your iPhone. Generally, if you get water inside your iPhone, that may damage your Face ID, or you may get fog inside your camera lens. So I'm going to show you two effective methods to fix this problem. So first one is you have to add this shortcut inside your iPhone shortcuts. So you have to press here and you can see here start option. So if you hit on start, then this will pop up like sensitivity level. You have to select it from here, and after that this will eject water from your speaker holes, like at the top and at the bottom. So these, like if you get water inside, like if your iPhone get water inside your speaker holes, so this method will eject water from your speaker holes. Now let's come to the second method, and for this you have to take the puff rice. I think everybody knows about the puff rice, hopefully. And you have to take one container and you have to keep your iPhone inside this puff rice, and make sure your box is airtight, because you have to keep your iPhone is like more than 24 hours. But one more thing I want to tell you, like if you get water damage, you have to first do not charge your iPhone, or do not plug in your iPhone with its charger. You have to turn it off and now leave your iPhone for 24 hours, and I hope after that you will get the good result. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I hope this video will help you out. So thank you for watching, and I will come with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. And if you get any trouble, please let me know in my comment section below. I will try to help you out as much I can.